Hi guys. The starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 6,654. It's actually the ending level last week. I completely forgot what it all is because I literally was barely home yesterday. We went shopping yesterday. And I got a cute Halloween pajama set and I got a cute Christmas sweatshirt, blue Under Armour shirt. I've been looking for a royal blue Under Armour shirt for years because it's my favorite color. Like my favorite color. And yeah, today is the first day taking the other medicine. Within a couple minutes, my body completely changed. It was so crazy how a medication that many people with CP take didn't work for me. But I do have a rare form of cerebral palsy. I have apoptoid cerebral palsy, not spastic cerebral palsy. So yeah, I completely forgot to mention that this is a 2-week vlog. I'm sorry, but last week was insane. So welcome to the vlog. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So I watched Witches too. Well, I tried watching it but I fell asleep. So that's cool. I am doing so much better off of the medication I was on. My body works better, sometimes. I hope the longer I'm off to it, the better my body will work. I know that sounds weird, but I do have a rare form of cerebral palsy. So I'm different. I'm unique. Laugh out loud. So I am going to go do something, and that's all, folks. Are. Hi guys. So it's a good day to cut trees. We had a company come and cut all the dead branches off. Something scary just happened. My tablet didn't turn on correctly, and it's terrifying because it's my communication device and we are going camping, as you may figure out because there is no video last weekend. Laugh out loud, that sounds incredibly weird because I was speaking in future tense. Am I? I'm not sure. I'm confused now. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah. We just forced it to shut down and it's working. I am going to go eat applesauce, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. I just got done programming next week's lesson for Awana. I think I'm gonna do the outline of the week after that in case I get bored at the coast. Haha, yeah right. I never get bored camping. There is way too much going on and I literally cannot miss out. Yep. So yeah. I have Awana tonight. It looks like October out and it probably feels like October. I like summer in August, but it needs to be fall. Don't remind me about this communication in April when I get sick of the rain. It's gonna happen. It always just. I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys, it's been wet weather here. Which we knew coming over, but we didn't bring the four-wheeler because everyone is in pain. So it's kinda boring. However, it is nice to get away from home. So I can plug the tablet into the wheelchair, and I have gone through chargers for my tablet like crazy. Another one bites the dust. We are going to go do something, and that's all, folks. We are camping. Last trip of the year, we didn't bring the Batmobile because everyone is in pain and we cannot afford any more injury. So yeah, I slept all the way home because I literally didn't sleep last night. My body wasn't wanting to sleep or lay still. I don't think I got 2 hours of sleep combined. But I did sleep in the truck in my car seat. Best car seat for adults. It's called the Hercules car seat. I highly recommend. The weather here is definitely fall. So yeah, I'm going to go do something, and that's all, folks. guys. Obviously we are home. I don't know if I can do screen recording on my tablet. I never tried, nor am I going to try because I don't want to. Camping was okay-ish. It would be better if we had our side-by-side and a four-wheeler. Or nobody had theirs. Yes, I had FOMO, fear of missing out. But it was extremely fun visiting my people. My CP body is still being crazy. I don't know what to do to fix it, but it's kinda ridiculous. We need sleep. And I need to go finish my Candle 36 video for today. And that's all, folks. Hi guys, so it's a gorgeous day outside. It's 6:02 according to the app. It's fall weather. I made tomorrow's Candle 36 video because tomorrow is going to be absolutely insanely busy, and I don't have that much free time tomorrow because I get to hang with my grandma, and then I have PT, and then I have Awana. So I did it today. The Disney Magic Kingdoms game has a tower challenge. They need to go back to how they did the original tower challenges because they had a point. Tower challenges now. They are ridiculously pointless. And I'm not sure how people finish it without money, literally. You have to be on your butt and set alarms for every 4 hours to reset the challenge. Plus you need the 40 other characters for the explorations. And then you have to battle the shadows, and you have to get the materials to fight. But if you don't have the correct characters, you're screwed. I'm missing a lot of characters still. But I love it. I'm going to go eat applesauce and then plug in my Fitbit because it's low. It doesn't charge when the computer is off. I already reached my step goal, which is 2,459. I'm weird and I hate even numbers for stuff. I won't get 10,000 steps because I don't walk, but I can get 2,459 steps. Actually, I usually go over it, but Fitbit doesn't run on Windows, so I cannot adjust my goals. So yeah, truthfully, Fitbit needs to go back on the Microsoft Store, because there were many people who used the app on the computers, and now we don't have access, so I use my mom's phone. I'd love it if they put the Fitbit app back on the computer. Anyway, I'm going to go eat applesauce, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. So I just got back from physical therapy. I'm tired. We just did some stretching and talking, so yeah. I'm a little sore. I also hung out with my grandma. We played Uno, and then she tagged along. So that was fun. I'm so tired. I found my old pumpkin hair tie the other day going through my jewelry box. I have decided to take advantage of my earring collection, and I am going to start changing my earrings more often. I have a lot of earrings, but I don't have enough Disney earrings. I have one pair of Minnie Mouse earrings, but those are too fancy for every day. So I put Disney earrings on my Christmas list. Also, the black hair ties I had in front were not holding anymore. So I bought 288 colorful hair ties. Why didn't they put 18 more and give the pack 300? I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm so excited. I am going to go do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. So at the Awana conference, they suggested that we do the review section with the lesson. So I have been. Well, that is making everybody behind because we have 30 minutes. So now, we are going to have an extra Awana night to do a catch-up night. We did a catch-up night last night. Some kids completely caught up, but others didn't. I feel kinda bad because it's kinda my fault for trying something new. But yeah. Lesson learned. I am going to go eat applesauce, and that's all, folks. Hi guys, the ending level in Candy Crush Chili is 6,680, and that's a green worm level with butterscotch and icing and cotton candy. So I am so thankful for Toby Dynavox's support. I couldn't talk, even after restarting the entire computer and logging in and out of my account, changing my password, all of the stuff. So I contacted them, and they actually called, which is interesting, especially when I told them it wasn't talking. Why do they call if they know their products are made for people who have communication problems? We use their products because we cannot talk. It doesn't make sense. Luckily my parents talk and can read what I type. The important thing is it's fixed now and I can actually talk. I'm going to go do something. Thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram. And that's all, folks.